My dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 9. Today's topic is exercise 3.2, question number 13 and question number 16. That means only two questions we will solve today. Your lecture number is 9. You have a homework. Your homework number is 7. I have already write down the two questions on the board. Question number 13 is here and question number 16 is here. First of all, question number 13 is if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, show that sub question number 1 is a cube plus b cube plus c cube that is equal to thrice abc, and sub question number 2 is b plus c whole square whole over 3 bc plus c plus a whole square whole over 3 ca plus a plus b whole square whole over 3ab that's equal to 1. These two questions we need to solve in question number 13. So the solution is here. Activity 13, sub question number 1 is given that the information is a plus b plus c that is equal to 0. Now we can transfer any one of these terms. That means we can term the third term c we can transfer in the right side. If we transfer in the right side, we will have a plus b that is equal to minus c, because c had before plus sign, it will take minus sign. Now we can assume our left hand side is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube, and we calculate this one, we will find out the right hand side that's equal to thrice abc. So here is left hand side that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now you can write the formula of a cube plus b cube. It's a corollary. It's a cube plus b cube that's equal to a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b, and plus c cube remain unchanged. If you put the value of a plus b in this expression, then what will happen? A plus b equal to minus c. So in the place of a plus b, we can put down minus c whole cube minus thrice ab into minus c in the place of a plus b plus c cube. Now minus c cube means minus c multiplied 3 times. This means that minus c multiply minus c multiply minus c. Then minus c and minus c will make plus c squared, and this minus c remain unchanged here. Now plus c squared into minus c, it will take as minus sign, and c square and c will make c cube. So minus c whole cube means minus c cube, and also we will have this thrice ab is multiplied with minus c. So is minus sign and minus sign is multiplied to each other, so it will be positive thrice abc, and we will have the plus c cube unchanged. Now this minus c cube and plus c cube will be omitted to each other. We will have thrice abc, which is our right hand side, my dear students. That's equal to right hand side. We can write down therefore left hand side that's equal to right hand side. Showed. Now we will solve the activity 13, sub question number 2. Sub question 2 is this term we can assume as a left hand side, and we will calculate this one, and we will get the right hand side equal to 1. To solve this one, we need the value of b plus c, c plus a, and a plus b with the help of the given information. 13 number sub question number 2 is given that is a plus b plus c that is equal to 0. From this information you can find out the value of b plus c, also the value of a plus c, also the value of a plus b by transferring one term in the right side. From this one we can write down a plus b that is equal to minus c. Also you can write down a plus c that is equal to minus b, and also you can write down b plus c is equal to minus a. Now our left hand side is equal to b plus c whole squared whole over thrice bc plus c plus a whole over thrice CA, C plus A whole square whole over thrice CA plus A plus B whole squared whole over thrice AB. This is our left hand side. Now we'll calculate this one. We need to put the value of B plus C, C plus A and A plus B in this expression. Now B plus C is equal to minus A. So minus A whole squared whole over thrice BC plus C plus A. C plus A means A plus C is similar. So it is equal to minus B. Minus B whole squared whole over thrice CA plus A plus B. The value of A plus B is minus C. So minus C whole squared whole over thrice AB. Now square term given there, minus A square means A squared, because minus A into minus A equal to A squared. Okay, thrice BC plus, like this way it will be B squared whole over thrice CA plus it's C squared whole over thrice AB. Now add this one, this term, three terms need to add. The LCM will be thrice ABC. Thrice ABC will be the LCM. Now divide this LCM by the denominator, we will have A, and A into A squared equal to A cube, plus divide this LCM by the denominator thrice CA, we will have B. B into B squared equal to B cube, and we need to divide this LCM by the denominator thrice AB, we will have C. C multiple C squared, it will be C cube. We can put the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is equal to thrice ABC from the first solution. This A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is equal to A plus B, thrice ABC. So you can write down here in the place of A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to thrice ABC and whole over thrice ABC. You should write down the note. From 1 we have A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is equal to thrice ABC. And now the denominator and numerator are same, so that's equal to 1. So this is our right hand side. Now you can write down therefore left hand side, that's equal to right hand side should. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to solve this kind of problem. Now we will solve question number 16. Question number 16 is, if A is equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 5, find the value of A to the power 6 minus 1 whole over A cube. Like this kind of problem, we need to find the value of 1 over A, and also we need the value of A minus 1 over A, because this is minus sign we have. So calculate these two values at first. To solve this one, I am going to erase this. Now the students, is 16 number question. Given that A is equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 5, therefore 1 upon A, that is equal to 1 upon the value of A is square root of 6 plus square root of 5. Now we need to omit these radicands in the from the denominator. To omit this one, we need to multiply the numerator denominator with square root of 6 minus square root of 5 whole over square root of 6 plus square root of 5 multiply with square root of 6 minus square root of 5. We need to multiply this term in the numerator and the denominator, and the value remain unchanged. Now this radicand will be vanished from the denominator. How? Look, 1 multiply this one is equal to this one is square root of 6 minus square root of 5 is remain unchanged. Now we can apply the formula of A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A squared. A is square root of 6 here, A squared minus B squared, B is our square root of 5 here, A squared minus B squared formula. Now in the numerator we have 6 square root of 6 minus square root of 5, and in the denominator we have square root of 6 and square. So square root sign and square sign will be omitted to each other. We will have 6 minus square root and square root of square root sign and square sign will be vanished. So we will have 5 only. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. We will have square root of 6 minus square root of 5 whole over 1. that is equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 5. So the value of 1 upon a is equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 5. Now we need the value of a minus 1 upon a, because the minus sign is given here. We need to determine that value. That's why I am going to find out that value is a minus 1 upon a. Now a minus 1 upon a, that is equal to the value of a is square root of 6 plus square root of 5 minus sign before 1 upon a. So we need to give the first bracket sign, square root of 6 minus square root of 5. The value of 1 upon a is this one. Now omit this first bracket, we will have square root of 6 plus square root of 5. All the term will exchange their sign because the minus sign in front of this bracket. It will have minus square root of 6 plus square root of 5. Now square root of 6 has minus sign, square root of 6 has plus sign, so these two will be omitted. We will have square root of 5 and square root of 5. These two are added to each other, so 2 square root of 5 it will be. Okay, so the value of a minus 1 upon a is equal to 2 square root of 5. Now we can find out the value of this expression. The given expression is, or the expression is a to the power 6 minus 1 whole over a cube. We can write down as a break this down one. We can write down this one as a to the power 6 over a cube minus 1 over a cube. If we add these two terms, we will get back this one again. So we can write down this one as bracket. So now it's a to the power 6 over a cube as write down a cube minus 1 upon a cube. So this is can be write down as a formula of a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b. Here is our b is 1 upon a minus b whole cube plus thrice a b into a minus b. Here b is our 1 upon a here. Now we can put the value of a minus 1 upon a in this expression and we can find out the value of this one resulted. So a minus 1 upon a, we have find out this value already is 2 square root of 5. So it's in the place of 1 minus 1 upon a, you can put the value of 2 square root of 5 and there is whole cube sign plus 3 is remain unchanged. A and a will be omitted because this a is our numerator, this is our denominator. Now the value of a minus 1 upon a is again, it's 2 square root of 5. Now it's 2 into square root of 5 whole cube. This means that 2 square root of 5 is multiplied 3 times to each other. It's 2 square root of 5 multiply 2 square root of 5 multiply 2 square root of 5. Now 2 makes 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 5 square root of 5 and square root of 5 makes 5 and we have another square root of 5. That means that 8 5s are 40 square root of 5. So in the place of 2 square root of 5 whole cube, we can write down 40 square root of 5 is 40 square root of 5 plus 3 2s are 6, it's 6 square root of 5. So 40 square root of 5 plus 6 square root of 5, it makes 46 square root of 5, which is our result, which is our answer, which is the value of a to the power 6 minus 1 over a cube. My dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve like this kind of problem. You have a homework, your homework number is 7, and your homework is question number 14 from exercise 3.2. Do your SW in your assigned SW copy and please mention your SW number, and you can submit your SWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.